Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Columbia County in central Pennsylvania, southeastern Montour County in central Pennsylvania, central Northumberland County in central Pennsylvania, Schuylkill County in central Pennsylvania, until 3:30 p.m. At 2:35 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Stonington, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Pottsville, Sunbury, Shamokin, Mount Carmel, Schuylkill Haven, Shenandoah, Danville, Minersville, Mahanoy City, Frankville, Northumberland, and St. Clair. For those driving on Interstate 80, this includes areas between the Danville and Buckhorn exits, specifically from mile markers 200.
The black eye.
Thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:30 p.m. for the following county: Schuylkill, Pennsylvania. The severe thunderstorm warning